Hi, this is Gomati from Artifacets. I hope you all are able to hear me. Today's video is different. I'm in Coorg amidst these beautiful coffee plantation. We all have seen coffee and we all love coffee, isn't it? And look at these coffee flowers. We've seen coffee seeds, but look at these coffee flowers. They look so beautiful. And what better art than this can you find in this world? Such beautiful flowers and they smell so good. We are on a holiday in Coorg and I thought I'll make my art video here. We are staying in this place called Glen Lorna Bungalow. This is an old British bungalow and Tata or the Taj group has taken over this and they have built their beautiful homestay. This is how it looks like from outside. So Glen and Lorna were the two children of a British officer who gifted this to them. Once British left India, this was taken over by the Taj group and they have built this beautiful estate among these tea gardens. So they have about 6,000 acres of tea plantation here. This is early morning. You can hear the birds chirping and everything is covered under mist. This is just outside the bungalow. As we walk, there is tea plantation everywhere. This is where the Tata tea comes from. Walk in the plantation, tea plantation, led us to a beautiful river called Barpole. It seems there is also river rafting that happens in this river. So, but this is in the Tata estate, and it is the other side of the river where there is hardly any crowd. When we were there, we were the only ones there in the entire bungalow. We were the only ones who had occupied it, and it was safe during COVID times. So here they are cutting the leaves, the tea leaves, with a machine. This plantation is very, very old. Some trees are as old as 100 years. About a kilometer of trekking through this ups and downs of tea plantation led us to this beautiful river called the Barpole River. Here it is. It is so serene and so peaceful. Absolutely no pollution, no garbage, no people around. This should definitely inspire me to create a good artwork. Let's see. So, guys, today's video is also inspired by this beautiful nature, and let's see what I can do. And I've got few things which would go well with the nature, and let's see. So, I have this thin 2 mm thin MDF board on which I'm painting with white, painting the entire board with white chalk paint. Once done, allow it to dry completely. So I have these cards, paper cards that I got from Itsy Bitsy, and I thought I would use these on the board. It has some nice beautiful quotes that would go well with the project that I thought I would do today. I'm sticking these on the board. I'm just painting the background with matching colors. Since this has more of water effect, there is blue and green, teal. I'm using these colors. I have these paper flowers which I once again got from Etsy Bitsy. So I thought I would do is I would paint these flowers different colors, blue, yellow and pink flowers. I also have some buds with these. I'll paint these and I'll stick them on the board. I'm just painting around the design that is there on the paper so that it would look more natural, and you'll not be able to see the paper print anywhere. Also, I'm painting on the letters. Now I'm using Fevicryl molded and making a frame for this MDF board. So take two equal quantities from the two packets and mix it properly and just roll a nice coil out of it. Roll it slowly and evenly. I'm also making a small little starfish with the clay that is left over. Some clay seashells to go with the mood. Just painting small little fish inside the water. Now spray varnish on the entire work carefully without leaving any space. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you've liked it. And if you've liked the video, please like, share, and if you haven't subscribed so far, please do subscribe. Thank you so much and keep watching Artifacets.